This is a little grueling to set up, but believe me, you're gonna thank yourself that you did do this. It is gonna save you a ton of time going forward. The experts say that we should be inputting 30 hashtags every time we post on Instagram. This takes a lot of time to input, and if it takes a lot of time, we're less likely to do it, and that's just gonna affect our consistency on the platform. And being consistent on Instagram, in my opinion, is even more important than the hashtags. Well, that's what we're gonna cover in this video. I got a one and done hashtag recipe you can use. Get those hashtags into those Instagram posts, 10 seconds. In the food world, they call this mise, which is short for the French term mise en place, which basically means get all your ingredients in one place before you turn on the heat. Our hashtags are really just like these ingredients. We can get them in one place and have them so they're easy to access. So when we go to post, grab those hashtags, copy and paste them into Instagram. So here's how we're gonna do that. So for this recipe, you will need your mobile phone, an app on your phone to input your hashtags into, such as Evernote or OneNote, or you can simply use the Memo Notepad. A list of researched hashtags that will attract the audience you want to serve, and a pair of strong thumbs to input those hashtags into your phone. So step one is to open the app where you plan to store your hashtags. And for this example, I'm going to use the Memo Notepad function on my phone. Step two, simply input your list of hashtags. Now, you may want to create a second or third list of hashtags and keep them separate so you don't repeat the same hashtags too often, because apparently Instagram doesn't like when you do that. Like step three, actually, there is no step three. You're done. Go ice your sore thumbs as necessary. As grueling as that was, now you at least have these hashtags in one place. So now when you go to post on Instagram, you can just simply copy and paste them into your post. And if you're wondering how to do that, here's how. To copy your hashtags, at least on an Android phone, go to where you have your hashtags stored, and then simply hold your finger on the screen to get these brackets and drag that second bracket all the way to the bottom of your hashtag list. Then tap the copy option that pops up at the top of your screen. To paste your hashtags into Instagram, hold your finger on the screen for a second, then lift it off and the paste option should pop up. Then simply tap paste and it will add your prepared hashtags to your post. There is a way to make this a pinch easier on yourself, and that is to use a paid app like the one I'm using now called Tags for Likes Pro. What I like about this app is it allows you to save different sets of hashtags in custom categories. What I don't like is the app doesn't give you the option to name the categories, so you're stuck with category 1, 2, 3, and so on, which is a bit of a bummer. But what it does have is this handy button here which allows you to copy your hashtags with one simple click. The big question is, will this one and done hashtag recipe actually help you grow your following on Instagram? Well, it will, but your content still needs to be backed by a strategy. So for more on why a strategy is so important, check out step number 1 in my free workshop on how to serve content that will grow your list. In that step, we highlight how easy it is to start online and start posting content, but how much of a waste of time and money that can be if you decide to go that route without having a strategy in place. I'll share the link to the workshop in the show notes below. As for Instagram, with your content backed by a strategy and having your hashtags all in one place and easy to access on your phone, now it just opens the door to you being able to post content on the platform more consistently. And Instagram likes when you're more consistent on the platform, and that should help you grow your following. Okay, that's my recipe for you today, and I am off to create a new recipe to help you grow your list and secure more income from your business. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. My name is Brent Guerrell from Brent Guerrell Media, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers.